All right, folks. How is it going, everybody? Here comes Escondido Disposal, about to make its return. I've never thought in a million years I get to give David Drive a taste of my cheering. Wow. I'm not the legendary cheering garbage truck fan for nothing. Here it comes. Nice sounding truck though. I'll admit that. Whoa! 3 great crews today too. Go figure. Whoa! All these trucks came by during the morning hours. Come on. Whoa! I'm like, here it comes. Whoa! That's hot. Wow. Woo! Come on. Woo! Come on. I've seen these trucks on video before. Now I get to see one in person. Whoa! That is nice. Let's see if he sees me. Woo! Woo! Escondido Disposal in 2022. Woo-hoo-hoo! Bye. Woo! Wow. There goes that truck. YouTube, I hope everybody got a taste of what Garbage Day and David Drive is. Especially seeing my friend Toño. One of my all-time best friends ever. Excuse me. Well, YouTube, that concludes this day of garbage truck fanning. I hope everybody enjoyed this video, especially seeing Toño on that last clip. That is hot. Whoa! Great crew, great truck. There goes to the recycling center, to the recovery facility. Whoa! There it is. Whoa! Watching it as it picks up the last can. Well, YouTube, this concludes my day of trash truck watching. Oh, how finny! Oh, how finny! Another. This is the same truck I saw a little earlier. Whoa! Whoa! Great truck, great crew, great trucks. there goes to the next stop. Whoa!